The great hornbill is a magnificent bird native to the forests of Southeast Asia. Known for its striking yellow and black casque atop its bill, this bird is a symbol of beauty and grace. The casque not only enhances their appearance but also amplifies their loud, resonant calls, making them easy to locate in the wild. These hornbills have impressive wingspans, and their flight is characterized by heavy, swooshing sounds. Great hornbills play a crucial role in their ecosystem by dispersing seeds, contributing to forest regeneration. Their unique appearance, intriguing behaviors, and vital ecological role make them truly remarkable birds. Feeling wild about these amazing animal facts? Don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button and joining our pack of animal enthusiasts. Subscribe now for a safari of fascinating discoveries.